I want to introduce a tool called Velixo. It's an Excel add-in that allows you to pull data from Sage Intacct into Excel in an organized manner. So, for example, you could have some financial reports pulled down into Excel in order to analyze them. You could consolidate them, you could do different things with financials. Also, you could do things such as budgets. You could do project forecasting, which we have a whole series on project forecasting. You could do some analysis as well. So you basically have an Excel add-in in your Excel file that then allows you to create formulas. You can then push information back up into Intacct. So for example, this project forecast, you also have a way to distribute out this Excel file as a PDF to others. You could distribute it out, in different formats as well, so that you don't have to go into your Outlook, save this file down to your desktop, create an email around changes. Multiple people can be in this file at the same time as well and see live changes being made. Okay, so a really nice tool that allows you to pull and push data from Sage Intacct and also lets you collaborate, distribute, and automate the data in Excel as well. So for more information, or if you're interested in this product and pricing, there's a buy now button at the bottom of this video. But just wanted to introduce this tool in general, but look for our first series on the project forecasting using Velixo on the Bangert Refinement series.